Welcome back to Mom in Tech. Okay, so today I have some fascinating news. Did you know that you can learn data analysis for free? The only thing you need is just your laptop and an internet access. Yes, you heard me right. Today's world, you can actually learn anything you want to, provided you have an internet connection and you're good with your research. Okay, so first off, we'll start with advanced Microsoft Word. Soft Excel, sorry. Okay, so you know that Microsoft Excel, spreadsheet, is one of the most or widely used tool in data analysis. Okay, so I already dropped the link to whichever one you want to. Just click on it. You either simply learn and just learn. And also we have Power BI. I love Chando a lot, and he teaches so well. I actually learned from him using Power BI, so I recommend him. And also in SQL, Udacity and Free Code Camp are just the best. All you need to do is go to the description and click on whichever one you want to start off with. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.